Meet the RoboMaster S1, the smart educational robot that opens up a whole new world of learning. Experience fast-paced driving action, whether you're by yourself or with a friend. Something in the way? Check this out! With the Mechanism wheels, your movement options are limitless. From the brushless motor to the front axle suspension, every inch of the S1 is jam-packed with advanced technologies. With the included interactive curriculum, anyone can learn how to code. Teach it to move, recognize shapes, and a whole lot more. Apply math and physics and take your S1 to the next level. On the battlefield, dominate your competition with the infrared beam. Use mystery bonus abilities to get an edge, like this. And if that's not enough, experience real rapid-fire action with the Gel Bead Blaster. Pressure-sensitive sensors let the S1 feel every impact. In a tight spot? No problem. Outwit your foe by coding a custom move. And when you've run out of opponents in your backyard, you just might be ready for DJI RoboMaster.
Well, now there's Skadu, an incredibly powerful scrubber for your everyday cleaning needs. Skadu scrubs dried and stuck-up grime super easily. The stubborn built up on your stove is no match for Skadu. Skadu is multifunctional. The brush attachment deep cleanses all those bottles and glasses up to every last corner. Skadu's copper scrubber attacks burnt food and grime on your grill and in your oven, with you putting in zero effort. The back of this pan hasn't been cleaned in years, and it shows. Let's Skadu it sparkling clean. Spick and span in 30 seconds. Skadu is light, so you can hold it comfortably. The scratch-free pads are perfect for delicate surfaces. Scrub greasy glass oven doors with absolute peace of mind. You can keep an extra attachment for your bathroom, or simply keep a separate set of scrubbing pads. Scrub through the gunk built up in your sink. Tackle the stains on your shower glass. And banish the difficult-to-remove bathtub grime. In a compact body, we managed to house a high-torque motor so you never lose power scrubbing tough jobs. Our innovative PTD technology distributes the motor's power evenly to 3 scrubbers, while allowing them to rotate in opposite directions. And that powerful opposite rotation is exactly what helps you scrub super fast with zero effort. Skadu's app helps you optimize product use, connects you to an online community, and makes it easy to buy attachments and supplies. Skadu is made keeping the environment in mind, so scrub ahead responsibly.
Introducing Hot Wave by Rheem Labs, the multi-purpose hose sprayer that never runs out of hot water. Hot Wave uses tankless water heating technology to provide endless hot water outdoors, whenever and wherever. No longer are you stuck with the temperature at the tap. With Hot Wave, You can dial in the spray nozzle setting and temperature to suit any usage. HotWave's multi-purpose design features 4 spray patterns and the ability to use cool, warm, or hot water temperature settings. Because hot water has faster moving molecules than cold water, this molecular speed translates into energy that can do a better job of cleaning than cold tap water. HotWave makes cleaning dirt and grime easier, accomplishing chores faster and better, saving you time and effort when washing homes, patios, vehicles, and a variety of other items.
Our dog is so spooked by cold water, and so with the HotWave, it's made it much easier, which makes my life very simple.
HotWave is simple to use. Just plug and play with any garden hose and outdoor power outlet. The comfortable, insulated, and ergonomic grip features a trigger lock to make operation easy. Tested to be tough, we designed HotWave with the highest electricity safety standards set by UL, so you can know you're safe when using HotWave.
PD6B, AW, ARM. By adding a pair of 5-axis robotic arms to PD6B's 20 kg max payload platform, the PD6B AW-ARM can work in high places, collect dangerous materials, and ship cargo to remote areas. The robot arms can carry a max load of approximately 10 kilograms and fly for 30 minutes, making it suitable for long operations. A sophisticated algorithm maintains the drone's stability as its center of gravity shifts when using the robot arms. ProDrone possesses an unrivaled combination of sophisticated robotics technology and drone engineering innovation. We provide your services and application development with infinite possibilities.